So students, let's start the questions which is asked in the GATE 2021 from the electromagnetic theory. So the first question is very, very important. First questions. The question is, here the first question. ये स्टैंडर्ड एयर फील्ड रेक्टेंगुलर वेवगाइड, एक वेवगाइड दिया हुआ है आपको जो एयर फील्ड रेक्टेंगुलर वेवगाइड है. एक वेवगाइड आपको गिवन है. दिस इज A इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर and this is B equal to 4 centimeter. So this is your waveguide and having the operating frequency here. Operating frequency is 3.4 gigahertz. So you have to given the operating frequency is 3.4 gigahertz. For the dominant mode it means what? Lowest cutoff frequency, highest cutoff wavelength. So the dominant mode is nothing but TE10 mode. This is called dominant mode. So this is your dominant mode. So you have to given the dominant mode of wave propagation. The phase velocity of the signal is Vp. So you have to given the phase velocity is what? Vp. The value of 2 decimal places. What is the value of Vp upon C, where C denotes the light velocity? C is your light velocity. So as you know that the Vp is nothing but C upon under root mu r into epsilon r upon 1 minus fc by f का whole square. So here air medium, so mu r equal to epsilon r equal to what? 1. This is your air medium. So the Vp by C equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus fc by f का whole square. fc by f का whole square, right? So the FCTE10 mode, this is equal to C upon 2A and this is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 upon 2 into A. A is nothing but 8 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and if you solve this, this is 1.875 gigahertz, right? So what's the Vp by C? So the Vp by C is 1 upon under root 1 minus 1.875 upon 3.4 का whole square, and you will get the answer 1.198. So the right answer is 1.198. Very important and very easy questions जो आपको already पूछा गया है यहाँ, right? Now come to the next questions. The question is, an antenna with a directive gain of 6 dB. Directive gain आपको given है कितना? 6 dB आपको given है directive gain. So directive gain of 6 dB is radiating a total power of 16 kilowatts. So you have to given the radiation power is 16 kilowatt. So the directive gain can be write without dB is equal to, you can write here 6 dB equal to 20 log 10x. So this is 10 log 10x and this is equal to 0.6 equal to log 10 into x without dB. So the directive gain is nothing but 10 raised to power 0.6 and this is equal to 4. This is equal to 4. Now electric field, so this is ER theta is, this is nothing but 16 into P radiation into GDT, or we can say this is directive gain upon R. So this is equal to 16 into P radiation is 16 kilowatt into directive gain equal to 4 upon 8 kilometer, and while solving this equal to 0.244 volt per meter. So your right answer is 0.244. This is the very important and easy questions. Now come to the next question. Third question, ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा गया था. And this question, the impedance matching network. This is your impedance matching network, right? So first of all, impedance matching, let's say this is short circuited. Basic concept, this is short circuited. Let's say this is Z0. Then ZSC is JZ0 tan beta, right? ZOC is minus JZ0 cot beta L. This is the input impedance. So the Z0 equal to 50 ohms. So you have to given the Z0 equal to 50 ohms. So this is Z0 equal to 50 ohms with load impedance ZL. ZL having the load impedance. ये quarter wave line of a characteristic impedance 75 ohm एक आपका क्वार्टर वेव ट्रांसफार्मर ये यूज किया गया है दोनों के बीच में, जिसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इंपेडेंस दिया हुआ है, मान लो Z नॉट डैश इक्वल टू 75 ओम इज कनेक्टेड टू ZL. Two stub having the characteristic impedance of 75 ohm each are connected to the this quarter wave line. एक 75 ohm का शॉर्ट सर्किटेड यहाँ पर कनेक्टेड है और एक आपका कौन सा है, ओपन सर्किटेड है, और जिसका लेंथ कितना दिया हुआ है 0.5 टाइम्स ऑफ लैम्डा अक्रॉस द RS. So the impedance matching is achieved when real part of ZL is. सुकारा इंपिडेंस मैचिंग अचीव करेगा जब रियल पार्ट ऑफ ZL होंगे आपके, राइट. सो लेट्स से फॉर क्वार्टर वेव ट्रांसफार्मर, इफ दिस इज क्वार्टर वेव ट्रांसफार्मर, then this is ZL, let's say this is Z0, then Zin is what? So Zin is nothing but the Z0 square upon ZL. So Z0 can be right here root under Zin into ZL, right? But in this question you have to given the quarter wave transformer. So what is the value of ZL? So if it is perfectly matched, then the here input impedance should be equal to what? 50 ohm for the perfectly matched. So you can write here 50 ohm equal to 75 ka square upon ZL. So ZL is nothing but 75 squared upon 50, and you will get the answer what? 2.5 ohm. So the right option is D options. So D is your right option. So एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन था आपका जो सर पूछा गया था. My name is Sushil Kumar Suman. I have done my MTech from the IIT Roorkee, and I have cleared 3 times consecutively engineering services for the 18, 19 and 2020. 18, 19 and 2020 ये तीनों साल मैंने जो है इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज का मेंस क्लियर किया हुआ है and appear for the interview. And unfortunately I didn't select for the by the 2 marks. So and I have 9+ experience for the teaching for the GATE and engineering services across the all over India. Now come to the, this is a brief introduction of mine. Now come to the next question. The refractive index of the core and cladding of an optical fiber is 1.5 and 1.48. This is core, let's say this is eta 1, and this is your cladding, let's say this is eta 2. So the numerical aperture is what? This is eta 1 square minus eta 2 square. This is your numerical apertures. So the critical angle propagation angle, which is defined as the maximum angle that light beam makes with the axis of the optical fiber to achieve the total internal reflections. So this is your critical angle, and this critical angle is nothing but called incidence angle. This is called incidence angle. So let's say this incidence angle is theta A, and through this theta A there is a total internal reflections. So this is total internal reflections. Total internal reflections. This is total internal reflections. So the sine theta A is equal to numerical aperture. So the acceptance angle, this is nothing but critical angle for the total internal reflections, and this acceptance angle is sine inverse NA. So I'll put here, this is sine inverse numerical aperture under root 1.5 square minus 1.48 square, and you will get around the 14 degree. So this is 14 degree is your right options. So here the 14 degree, approximate 14 degree is your right options. यहाँ पे fill in the blanks क्वेश्चन था, आप इसको fill up कर सकते हैं. Now come to the next question. For this rectangular wave coordinate systems, ये दिया हुआ है आपको, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दिया हुआ है आपको गिवन है, एंड एक z ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 के लिए, एक है आपका z लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 के लिए. Let's say this is z equal to 0, this is z greater than equal to 0, let's say this is z less than 0. This is mu equal to 4 mu naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught. This is mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught. Now let's say this is eta 1, so this is 120 pi under root mu r upon epsilon r. This is eta 2, this is 120 pi under root mu r upon epsilon r. So this is mu r equal to epsilon r equal to 1, but here mu r equal to 4, epsilon r equal to 1. So here eta 1 equal to, this is 240 pi, and eta 2 equal to, this is 120 pi. So the reflection coefficient is nothing but eta 2 minus eta 1 upon eta 1 plus eta 2. and you will get this minus 1 by 3. So the mod value is equal to 1 by 3. So the reflection coefficient is equal to 1 by 3. So option B is your right options. So B is your right options.